Meaning of Hampton Court.
Hampton Court.
Hampton Court.
Hampton Court.
Hampton Court. Hampton Court is a royal palace located in the London Borough of Richmond upon Thames, UK. Originally built in the early 16th century for Cardinal Thomas Wolsey, it was later acquired by King Henry VIII, who extensively renovated and expanded the palace. Today, Hampton Court is open to the public as a major tourist attraction and historical site, offering visitors a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the British monarchy. The palace features beautiful gardens, a famous maze, and a range of exhibitions showcasing the palace's history and artworks.